Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to add multi-line comments into our programming language. So we already had single line comments. Let's copy up this. We'll replace it with an array. Our array will contain two objects, and the first object will match single line comments and the second one will match multi-line comments. Let's delete this. We'll place it with this, and this is just going to tell our browser that we want to match identical pattern that JavaScript multi-line comments use. In between we will have a little construction, \s and \uppercase s. We close this up, and this will just match any single character including new line character, and we'll have 0 or more of those, and we will also use a lazy operator over here. So let's go down here. We will have to change a little bit of code here, and we just delete this for now. Let's add comment. We don't need this one anymore, and here we have comment, and next to it can be either space or null, and this will return an empty string as well. We also can add line breaks here, and let's put true for it. And now we got multi-line strings in our language. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.